Welcome to the comprehensive tutorial for the MediCare Hospital Management System. We begin on the main dashboard, your central hub for hospital operations. Here, you get an at-a-glance view of key metrics, patient statistics, including total patients, active patients, and discharges, doctor statistics showing available doctors, and blood bank statistics with total units and pending requests. You can also see today's appointments and a summary of recent activity. Let's navigate to the Patients module from the left-hand menu. This section lists all patients in the system. You can see key details like their name, ID, and reason for hospitalization. Let's explore Emily Chen's record by clicking View. Here you can see detailed medical observations and specialist consultations. You can also edit notes by clicking the Notes icon, making changes and saving them. Now let's add a new patient. Click the Add Patient button. We'll be entering the details for Sofia Rodriguez from a separate document. First, type in the full name, Sofia Rodriguez. Her age is 35, gender is female, blood type is A+. Her bed number is 115. Enter her phone number, 555-777-8888, and her email, sophia@email.com. Her address is 222 Lake Street, New City, USA. For the emergency contact, we'll enter Maria Rodriguez with the phone number 555-777-9999. Her medical history shows no significant medical history. The reason for consultation is swollen and painful knee after a fall. The reason for hospitalization is admitted for evaluation and treatment of a knee injury. Next, for medical observations, we'll input physical examination reveals significant swelling, tenderness, and limited range of motion in the right knee. X-ray shows no fracture. MRI scheduled to assess for ligament or meniscus tears. Now, let's schedule a specialist consultation. We'll select orthopedics for the specialty and set the urgency to urgent, 1 week. The reason for consultation is to review the MRI results and determine the need for surgical intervention. For additional notes, we'll add, patient is on pain management medication and is using crutches for mobility. Next, we'll order a lab test. Click Order Lab Test. The test name is MRI of the right knee, the test type is imaging, and the priority is urgent. With all the information entered, click Add Patient. Sofia Rodriguez is now successfully added to our patient list. You can see Sofia's record is now active. We can view her details again to confirm everything is correct, including the scheduled orthopedics consultation. We can also edit her medical observations directly from her patient record if needed. Let's move to the Doctors module. Here, you can manage all medical staff. You can view existing doctor profiles or edit their information. To add a new doctor, click the Add New Doctor button. We will add Dr. Victoria Lee. Full name, Dr. Victoria Lee. Specialty, orthopedics. Experience, 10 years. Phone, 555-555-0707. Email, victoria.lee@hospital.com. Schedule, Wednesday, Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Qualification, MD, board certified in pediatric orthopedics. Finally, her biography, she is a compassionate pediatric orthopedic surgeon. Click Add Doctor. Dr. Lee is now successfully added to the system and appears on the doctor's list. Next, we'll manage appointments. Go to the Appointments section. The display board shows appointments for the current day. We can see the urgent consultation scheduled for Sofia Rodriguez. Other appointments for different patients are also listed. You can confirm, reschedule, or delete appointments from here. Let's confirm Mary Johnson's appointment. A success message appears. You can also book a new appointment using the Book Appointment button. Returning to the Patients module, we'll update Sofia Rodriguez's medical observation notes. We'll add the full text from her records document, detailing her initial presentation, physical examination, imaging results, treatment plan, and current condition. After pasting the text, click Save Changes. The medical observation is now updated. Now, let's manage lab tests. Navigate to Lab Tests. We see the pending MRI for Sofia Rodriguez. Let's assume the sample has been collected. We'll click Enter Results and then Upload Results. We select the MRI result file from our computer and click Upload. The test status changes to Completed, and a notification confirms the results are available. We can then view the results, which opens the uploaded MRI image file. You can also download the file if needed. In the Beds module, we can manage hospital bed allocation. First, let's add a new bed. Click Add Bed. We'll enter bed number 115, select bed type General, Ward General Ward A, and floor First Floor. Equipment includes ventilator, monitor, oxygen. Click Add Bed. The new bed, Bed 115, is now listed as available. Now let's assign Sofia Rodriguez to this bed. Click Assign Patient. Enter her name, Sofia Rodriguez, age 35, and select gender. Enter her contact number, reason for admission. Admitted for evaluation and treatment of a knee injury, and her medical history, no significant medical history. Click Assign Patient. Bed 115 is now occupied by Sofia Rodriguez. Let's proceed to the Pharmacy module. Here you can manage medicine inventory and view prescriptions. Let's write a new prescription. Go to the Doctors section and click Write Prescription. We'll enter the patient ID P005SR for Sofia Rodriguez. The medicine is Tramadol. The dosage instructions are: take one 50 mg tablet every 4 to 6 hours as needed. The quantity is 30. For additional instructions, we'll add, do not consume alcohol while on this medication. May cause drowsiness. Click Write Prescription. A success notification appears. Now, if we go back to the Pharmacy module and check Prescriptions, we can see the new prescription for Sofia Rodriguez, which can now be dispensed. In the Blood Bank module, you can manage the blood inventory, view donors, and handle blood requests. The main page shows the total units available for each blood type. You can add a new donor by clicking Add Donor and filling in their details. The Requests tab shows pending blood requests. You can create a new request by clicking New Request and specifying the patient, blood type, and urgency. The Reports and Analytics section allows you to generate various hospital reports, such as patient statistics, financial summaries, and department performance. You can generate a new report or download, print, or delete existing ones. Now, let's manage billing. Go to the Billing module. To create a new invoice, click Create Invoice. We'll select the patient, Sofia Rodriguez. The patient ID is automatically filled. The amount is $1,500, and the due date is October 18, 2025. The services provided are emergency room consultation, $250, radiology, MRI of the right knee, $1,150, orthopedic specialist consultation, $150. The insurance provider is HealthGuard Insurance Company. Click Create Invoice. The new invoice for Sofia is now listed. We can view its details or record a payment. Let's add a payment. Click the payment icon, confirm the details, and click Create Payment. The payment is successfully recorded. Finally, we can download a PDF copy of the invoice for our records. The Patient Transfers module is used to manage the transfer of patients to other facilities. Here we can see Sofia Rodriguez has been scheduled for a transfer on September 18th for specialized surgery. We can view the transfer details, including the reason, receiving doctor, and transport method. We can also generate and download a detailed patient transfer report. Finally, let's look at User Management. Here, administrators can manage user roles and permissions, controlling access to different sections of the HMS. In the top right corner, you can access System Settings. Under the Appearance tab, you can switch between light and dark themes for the interface. You can also change the system language. As you can see, the interface language instantly updates to Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Arabic, and Chinese, demonstrating the system's multilingual capabilities. Other tabs allow you to configure the database, notifications, and privacy settings. Tired of inefficient workflows and fragmented data? Your hospital deserves a system as dedicated and hardworking as your staff. MediCare HMS is the powerful, intuitive, and secure solution built to handle every aspect of your facility's needs. Ready to transform your operations? Click the link in the description to buy now or see it live with a free demo.